Nearly 6 months after Hurricane Melissa struck Jamaica's western end, 2,764 customers, mostly in Westmoreland, remain without electricity. Energy Minister Daryl Vaz says 2,561 customers in Westmoreland and 203 in St. Elizabeth are still off the grid, despite ongoing restoration efforts by Jamaica Public Service Company. He cites torrential rains, flooding, difficult terrain, and limited access to damaged communities as major setbacks. According to Minister Vaz, despite the challenges, restoration is 99.6% complete, with about 258 customers reconnected between April 1 and 13, and 26 communities restored across Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth.
This includes 11 communities in Westmoreland and 15 communities in St. Elizabeth.